Hello and welcome to 3D Craft. Today we have another broken plastic part, espresso machine portafilter mount, which is broken from here. And as you can see, there is three places to lock this two plastic piece together, and also three screws, which is tightening this two piece together and make it waterproof. And what is the solution? It's obviously Solidworks and a 3D printer. So let's design this. Let's go.
Okay, we are in Solidworks. Let's start the design. New part. Sketch and front plane, and we are going to draw something like this. This line is 28 millimeter. This line is 42.75 millimeter. This line is 38.75 millimeter. And we need another line here. This line is 38.25, and the distance between these two lines is 11 millimeter. Then we draw like this, and this line is 3.7 millimeter. This one is 3.25, and this line is 4.3 millimeter. And also the distance between this point and this line is 2.9 millimeter. Yes. Now we can trim these excess lines. We are going to chip this line as our guide. Then go to the future, revolve bus, axis of revolution, choose this line, and also there is a problem in the sketch. Let me find the problem. Yeah, there was an extra line in here, so let's do this again. Choose this line as our axis of revolution, then select contours and select our sketch and hit OK. So we have the body. Next thing we are going to do is to turn the body like this, select this face, a new sketch, draw a center line, and draw an arc like this. The size of this arc is 0.5 21 millimeter. Then mirror this arc like this, and also we need another circle in here as a reference, and the size of this circle is 60 millimeter. Then we need a line in here, and the line size is 70 millimeter. Then move this line a little bit and let this point touch this reference circle. Then mirror the line about the center line and draw the rest of the sketch. And we need to extend this line a little bit more further. One millimeter is enough. And also we are going to draw another arc. Then we are going to remove these excess lines, and our sketches look like something like this. Then go to the future, extrude, and extrude about 5.5 millimeter. Change the direction, hit OK, and choose this face, Ctrl 8. Then we need to draw another sketch, draw an arc like this. The arc size is 9 millimeter. Draw another in here. This one is 4.5 millimeter. Then connect these lines and extend these lines a little bit further. Then draw another arc like this, trim this one, and go to the future, extrude, and extrude it about 4.5. Okay. Next, select this edge and go to the fillet chamfer, enter 2 millimeter and increase this angle into 75 millimeter, 75 degrees. Hit OK. Then select these two edges, go to the fillet and fillet about 4 millimeter. So select circular pattern, go to the bodies, select this body we enter 3, and for direction select this face and hit OK. Okay. Next thing we are going to do is to design the locking system. Select this face, hit Ctrl 8. We need to find the midpoint of this arc here. So new sketch and make an arc like this. Go to the line, center line, and extend the center line. Then we are going to draw an arc in here. The size of this arc is 11.125. Then mirror it. Draw two lines parallel to this center line, like this. And the size of this line is 3.8 millimeter. And draw an arc like this. Then go to the future, extrude, and extrude about 3.8 millimeter. Change the direction and hit OK. Then select this face, sketch, draw a circle at the middle of this arc. The size of the circle is 3.2 millimeter. Future extrude cut, hit OK. Then select these two edges, fillet it about 2 millimeter, and we need to actually let's remove this fillet. Select this edge, select chamfer, and enter 1 millimeter. Enter 4 millimeter and 8 degree, actually 10 degree, and hit OK. Then select these two edges, go to the fillet, enter 2 millimeter and fillet it. Then go to the circular pattern, select this 4 entities, select this face, and hit OK. Okay. Next thing we are going to do is to create another sketch in here, and has our screws. This piece is gonna be screwed into the machine. So select this face, sketch, center line, and the snapping option is turned on, so you can feel the 45-degree angle. Draw center line, then draw a circle like this, and the circle diameter is 99 millimeter. Then draw another circle, and the circle diameter is 10 millimeter. Then select these two circles, hit tangled. Now we can delete this reference circle and draw a line. Parallel this center line, draw another line, and connect these two lines together, trim the axis lines, and go to the future, extrude it about 9 millimeter. Reverse. Okay. Select this face one more time. New sketch. Draw a circle. The circle diameter is 6 millimeter. I'm sorry. Select extrude cut. Cut it. Select the inner circle face and draw another circle. The dimension is 3.1 millimeter and cut it through all this time. Select this face. Draw a circle 6 millimeter and extrude it about 3 millimeter. Okay. Go to the circular pattern and remove this. Open this menu. Select these 4 entities. And for the direction, select this face. And we need 3 more of this. So enter 4. And hit OK. Okay, we are done with the sketch, so let's save this. As coffee mount. Save it as a still file. bring the save file into the Bumble Studio to make a G code. Hit auto to orient the object like this. We are going to print it with patchy 0.2mm strange and enable the support. Hit the slice. And let's print it out. Okay, this is the last result. Unfortunately, I can't film the 3D printed part in the shop because I already delivered the printed plastic part to its owner, and as you can see, it's these two pieces fits together like the original one, and it's already tested on the espresso machine, and it's working. So thank you for your watching. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button.